The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Pope County, Illinois, south central Crittenden County, Kentucky, southeastern Livingston County, Kentucky, northwestern Christian County, Kentucky, Caldwell County, Kentucky, northern Marshall County, Kentucky, northern Trigg County, Kentucky, southwestern Hopkins County in northwestern Kentucky, Lyon County, Kentucky, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 8 miles northeast of Olney to near Farmersville to near Berna, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Princeton, Dawson Springs, Calvert City, Eddyville, Hillman Ferry Campground, Woodlands Nature Station, Birmingham Ferry Recreation Area, DeLumbers Bay Campground, Cravens Bay Campground, land between the lakes area, Olney, Cobb, Farmersville, Ledbetter, Rockcastle, Catawba, Fredonia, Grand Rivers, Smithland, and Hawkins. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 19 and 60. Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 45 and 98. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county: Pope, Illinois, and the following counties in Kentucky: Caldwell, Christian, Crittenden, Hopkins, Livingston, Lyon, Marshall, and Trigg.